Regina's real estate market continues to demonstrate steady stability and exceptional affordability throughout August 2025, maintaining its position as one of Canada's most accessible and value-oriented property market. As Saskatchewan's capital city strengthens its economic foundations through government services, agriculture, and emerging technology sectors, the real estate landscape reflects this steady growth through consistent demand and remarkably affordable valuations across all residential categories. The August 2025 market analysis examines 1,169 active unique listings across 6 major property categories, providing comprehensive insights into pricing trends, availability patterns, and market dynamics. Property types and availability. Regina's property market presents a compact yet diverse inventory totaling 1,169 available unique units, distributed across 6 primary categories. Houses, 828 unit. 2-bedroom apartments, 132 unit. Townhouses, 129 unit. 1-bedroom apartments, 61 unit. Duplexes, 13 unit. 3-bedroom apartments, 6 units. This focused inventory reflects market stability and reflects Regina's strong emphasis on detached housing while maintaining options for apartment seekers and first-time buyers entering the ownership market. Property types distribution. Regina's housing composition reflects a mature prairie city with overwhelming emphasis on detached living. Detached houses 71% dominate Regina's landscape, ranging from character homes in established neighborhoods like the Crescents to contemporary constructions in suburban developments like Harbour Landing and Windsor Park. Apartment buildings 17% serve growing demographics, including young professionals attracted to downtown revitalization and seniors seeking maintenance-free living, comprising 2-bedroom 11%, 1-bedroom 5%, and 3-bedroom 1% unit. Townhouses 11%. Bridge apartment convenience and detached home ownership, offering modern amenities and community features while reducing maintenance responsibilities. Duplexes 1%. Provide limited but attractive investment opportunities and homeownership entry points while offering potential rental income streams in Regina's stable rental market. Average property prices overview. Regina's pricing structure demonstrates exceptional affordability across all property segments, reinforcing the city's reputation as Canada's most accessible major metropolitan market. Detached houses average $382,839, providing outstanding value for families seeking space, privacy, and land ownership. At $284 per square foot, Regina offers the most compelling affordability in Canada while delivering prairie lifestyle benefits and economic stability. 3-bedroom apartments command an average of $261,067, representing spacious apartment living with affordability that rivals townhouse ownership costs in other markets. Duplexes average $294,992, combining homeownership benefits with income generation potential through Regina's consistent rental demand. Townhouses average $305,303, delivering remarkable value for buyers seeking modern community amenities and contemporary design. This price point ensures accessibility for virtually all income levels while providing maintenance-free living and recreational facilities. 2-bedroom apartments at $244,837 serve as popular choices for couples, young families, and investors, representing optimal balance between space and exceptional affordability. 1-bedroom apartments average $152,375, providing the most accessible ownership entry point in Canada while serving students, young professionals, and investment portfolios. The market demonstrates remarkable inclusivity with properties ranging from $29,000 for renovation opportunities to luxury estates reaching $4.49 million, ensuring Regina accommodates buyers across all economic segments and investment approaches. House Market Summary. Regina's detached home market represents the city's housing foundation, with 828 available units averaging $382,839. At $284 per square foot, Regina provides unmatched value compared to all major Canadian centers, while offering superior quality of life and prairie charm. Properties average 56 days on market, indicating balanced conditions where motivated sellers achieve reasonable transaction timeframes. The price range from $29,000 to $4.49 million demonstrates remarkable market diversity, accommodating first-time buyers seeking affordable entry points to luxury purchasers desiring executive estates with premium appointments. Monthly average house availability. Daily house inventory throughout August ranged from 473 to 516 units, representing approximately 9% variation. This minimal fluctuation indicates exceptional supply-demand balance with steady market activity. Inventory patterns show consistent availability throughout the month, with slight increases toward month-end as new listings enter the market. Duplex Market Summary. Regina's duplex market combines homeownership benefits with investment income potential, featuring only 13 available units averaging $294,992. At $197 per square foot, duplexes provide exceptional opportunities for mortgage assistance through rental income while offering substantial living space and investment returns. Properties average 79 days on market, reflecting the specialized nature of duplex acquisitions and limited supply requiring extended buyer search period. The segment benefits from Regina's stable employment market and rental demand, particularly appealing to investors seeking affordable entry points. Monthly average duplex availability. Duplex inventory remained extremely limited throughout August, ranging from 7 to 11 units with minimal variation. This scarcity reflects the specialized nature of this property type in Regina's market, where limited supply creates opportunities for patient buyers seeking investment properties. Townhouse Market Summary. The townhouse market provides compelling value between apartment convenience and detached home ownership, with 129 available units averaging $305,303. At $263 per square foot, townhouses deliver outstanding pricing for buyers seeking contemporary amenities and community living with reduced maintenance responsibilities. Properties average 55 days on market, reflecting efficient buyer decision-making and strong demand for this housing category. Townhouse developments typically feature professional landscaping, recreational amenities, and security features appealing to busy professionals and growing families. Monthly average townhouse availability. Townhouse inventory ranged from 67 to 81 units throughout August, representing approximately 21% fluctuation, indicating active market engagement. Summer to fall transition periods favor townhouse sales as buyers seek to complete transactions before winter weather impacts moving logistics. One-bedroom apartment market summary. The one-bedroom apartment market serves as a primary ownership gateway with 61 available units averaging $152,375. At $215 per square foot, pricing remains exceptionally accessible for first-time buyers and investment portfolios seeking rental income opportunities. Properties average 68 days on market due to financing considerations and buyer deliberation period. The segment attracts investor attention given rental demand from students, young professionals, and temporary workers supporting Regina's government, healthcare, and education sectors. Monthly average one-bedroom apartment availability. One-bedroom availability ranged from 40 to 47 units throughout August, representing 18% variation reflecting seasonal purchasing patterns. Late summer activity corresponds with student housing cycles and professional relocation patterns as new graduates and career transitions drive market participation. Two-bedroom apartment market summary. The two-bedroom apartment market represents an optimal space affordability balance, with 132 available units averaging $244,837. At $232 per square foot, this segment offers exceptional apartment pricing while serving young families, professionals, and investors seeking stable rental returns. The segment attracts investment interest due to favorable rental yields and tenant stability, with two-bedroom units typically commanding steady rents while attracting long-term, reliable tenants in Regina's stable economy. Monthly average two-bedroom apartment availability. Two-bedroom availability ranged from 77 to 91 units throughout August, representing approximately 18% fluctuation, indicating balanced market activity. End-of-summer patterns reflect family purchasing preferences as couples and young families complete moves before the fall season commencement. Three-bedroom apartment market summary. The three-bedroom apartment market represents exclusive apartment living with only 6 available units, averaging $261,067. At $180 per square foot, this premium segment attracts downsizing empty nesters and professionals seeking spacious urban convenience with exceptional value. Properties average 62 days on market, reflecting the specialized buyer profile and limited supply creating extended search period. Limited supply ensures exclusivity while maintaining affordability, appealing to purchasers prioritizing space and value over luxury amenities. Monthly average three-bedroom apartment availability. Three-bedroom availability ranged from 2 to 4 units throughout August, representing minimal variation consistent with the segment's exclusive and limited nature. Consistently low inventory levels reflect both limited development activity and owner retention patterns in this scarce property category. Conclusion. Regina's August 2025 real estate market demonstrates exceptional stability and affordability, positioning the city as Canada's premier value-oriented housing market. With unmatched affordability compared to all major Canadian centres, the market provides accessible opportunities across all income segments while maintaining space and prairie lifestyle benefit. Key market strengths include economic stability supporting government and agricultural employment, demographic trends favoring sustained housing demand, and affordability metrics enhancing homeownership accessibility for virtually all income levels. The combination of exceptional value, quality of life, and prairie charm positions Regina as an attractive destination for both homeownership aspirations and investment strategies focused on long-term appreciation potential in Saskatchewan's capital city. Thank you for watching. If you found this report valuable, please subscribe to our channel Rent Sell Buy for monthly updates and comprehensive market insight. Don't miss our upcoming September Regina rental market analysis, where we'll continue monitoring trends, pricing developments, and availability across all property categories. Stay informed and make strategic real estate decisions with our data-driven market reports.